video, we are going to install MySQL community server and MySQL WordPress, that is a manager to manage our database. Both tools are completely free and are also multi-platform. We can install both for Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. Well, what we are going to do is go to Google and go to MySQL. Let's go to the official site. Once we enter the official site, what we are going to do is go down and we are going to download. Let's select MySQL Community Server. Once we click, we will enter this screen that we have here and simply click in image, or you can click in this icon. We click and now we have two ways to install it. We can install it this way or also try it this other way in executable. I'm going to click download. If you don't want to register, click no thanks and download. It weighs 4020 megabytes. Once we finish, what we are going to do is go to the folder downloads and we simply double click it on the installer and we wait. Once we gave it, there are different ways to install. We can install the developer configuration where install MySQL, or you can also install the full version where install everything. We select the customizable version. So I click down in the version and I take MySQL server and WordPress that is going to allow me manage the database. We hit next and hit again next since I get the little message because I already had it installed before and they give it run and wait to install MySQL. Once the installation is complete, we hit next 4 times and it comes out to set the password of the root user. And it's very important that you save. I put a password and they hit the check, and once I get it valid, I hit next 3 times. And we wait to finish. Configure the last step, we give finish, next, finish, and we have everything installed. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more, please subscribe. And bye.